In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a transmission speed sensor on a Honda CR-V with a 2.4 liter engine and automatic transmission. It is located in the engine area. You have to remove your air filter housing and your air filter snorkel tube. By doing that, take a pair of pliers, squeeze this connector, and this line pulls off. Remove your connector. Onto your lower clamp at your throttle body, which is a 5.5 millimeter. Loosen that clamp. Then up to the top clamp, same thing, 5.5 millimeter. Loosen that. Pull your tube off your air cleaner box, and then off your throttle body. Put that off to the side. Then you want to remove your wiring clips. You can come underneath it, squeeze, pull up. Same thing back here. Push your tab down, then you can pull out like that. Unplug your mass airflow sensor by pushing down and pulling straight out. Put your wire off to the side. Now you have your air filter cover, which is these clamps. Push down. Then you have one clip back here. You just want to push it off to the side like that. Now you can remove your lid, slide it off to the left and out. Remove your air filter. Now you can take your 10 millimeter bolt out here. Put that off to the side. Now you have your lower air filter housing, which is held down by two rubber mounts here. All you want to do is lift this straight up and pop those out. There are your two rubber mounts. Once you remove your lower air filter housing, this is your transmission warmer. You need to remove that. There's three 10 millimeter bolts. Once you remove those bolts, pull up, and you can tie that off to the side. That's your speed sensor connector. You need to remove that. Push the tab down, pull straight out. Now you have to remove that 10 millimeter bolt. You can come around the back side of it right like this, take a pair of pliers, give it a twist, and there's your sensor. Now you take your sensor, go back in the hole. You want to push your sensor in until it becomes flush with the transmission. Once you install the speed sensor into your transmission, you're going to take your 10 millimeter bolt, start that by hand, tighten that up. And that bolt gets torqued down at 9 foot-pounds. Now you can take your plug your sensor back in, wait for the click. Now you can unclip your transmission warmer, install your three 10 millimeter bolts. And those get torqued down to 10 foot-pounds. Now it's time to put your lower part of your air filter housing on. You have your two rubber mounts here. Those go right here. Put it onto your air snorkel, then push down until it locks in. Once that's locked down, you have your 10 millimeter bolt you need to put back in. That bolt gets torqued down to 7 foot-pounds. Your air filter, slide it, push it down, make sure it's seated. Before you install your top part of your air filter box, you have your three clips. Just make sure those are out of the way and not underneath the lid. Take your lid, slide in to your right and down. Clip your three clips. Make sure it's secure. Now you have your mass airflow sensor plug. Clip that in there. This clips onto the box. Wait for the click. Take your air inlet tube, put your clamp on first. Slide it over your throttle body. Take your clamp, spread your clamp, put your pipe on. Now install it onto the box. Tighten your clamps. Just make sure your connections are good, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.